Welcome back, students, to the fourth module. Let us discuss something about Earth satellites and energy of an orbiting satellite. We have already studied that satellite is an object which continuously revolves on its own around and a much larger body in a stable orbit. There are natural satellites and artificial satellites. A satellite created by nature is called natural satellite. An example is moon. A man-made satellite is called an artificial satellite. Example Chandrayaan. And the world's first satellite was Sputnik 1. Satellites are used to broadcast television, forecast the weather, spy on enemy forces, and to tell you where you are. Satellites are held in orbit around the Earth by the Earth's gravitational pull. Now let us discuss about orbital velocity. The velocity with which a satellite moves in its closed orbit is called orbital velocity. Orbital velocity is the velocity required to put the satellite into its orbit around the Earth. We know the force of gravity on a satellite is given by F is equivalent to Gmm divided by R plus H whole square, where H is the position of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. We know in order to revolve round the Earth, centripetal force is required by the satellite. Centripetal force is given by F is equivalent to mvo square divided by R plus H whole square. It is mv square by R. Here Vo represents the orbital velocity. In equilibrium, the centripetal force is just provided by the gravitational pull of the Earth. So equating the two forces, we get mv0 square divided by R plus H is equivalent to Gmm divided by R plus H whole square, or Vo square is equivalent to Gm divided by R plus H, or Vo is equivalent to square root of Gm divided by R plus H. If the satellite is very much closer to the surface of the Earth, R plus H is simply replaced by R, and the equation for orbital velocity becomes root of Gm divided by R. Now let us calculate the total energy of a satellite in circular orbits. We know kinetic energy K is equivalent to half mv square. Substituting for orbital velocity, we get kinetic energy is equivalent to half m into Gm divided by R, or kinetic energy is equivalent to Gmm by 2R. We had already discussed that the potential energy U is equivalent to minus Gmm divided by R. The total energy E becomes kinetic energy plus potential energy, which is U plus K, which is equivalent to minus Gmm divided by 2R. So, here the satellite is taken to be at a height h above the surface of the Earth. So, in the previous equation, replacing small r by capital R plus h, we get potential energy U is equivalent to minus Gmm by R plus h. Kinetic energy K is equivalent to Gmm divided by 2 into R plus h, and total energy is equivalent to minus Gmm divided by 2 into R plus h. The energy required to remove the satellite from its orbit around the Earth to infinity is called the binding energy of the satellite. And binding energy is equivalent to minus E, which is gmm divided by 2 into r plus h. Hope you have got an idea about the orbital velocity and total energy of a satellite in its orbit. Thank you, dear students.